how to get Google Play Store on any Chromebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can get your Google Play Store on your Chromebook. So if you have been using Chromebooks, as you can see clearly I am not using Chromebook, so I am showing you a step-by-step guide through my Google Docs. So the first step what you want to do to get your Google Play Store on your Chromebook is, if you are not seeing this icon, just click on the settings option over here from your device, and once you click on settings you will be redirected to this page, and under your settings at the left section you will see the option called application. Simply click on it. Once you click on it you will see the option called Google Play Store, and from over here, let me just zoom in, and from over here you will see the option called turn on. Just click on the turn on button, which will automatically turn on the Google Play service, and it will ask you to accept its terms and conditions. Simply click on accept and move on, and you have to wait for some time for it to successfully load. And once it gets installed on your device, you can successfully log into your Google Play Store and use it as usual. So that is exactly how you can easily get the Google Play Store on any Chromebook. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.